what we have in this problem, whole numbers. I think you guys said natural numbers. I'm at the looking at natural numbers may include zeros. I always get the natural and the whole numbers. One of them is always just the counting number starting at 1. The other one starts at 0, and then the counting numbers. I always get those switched. But we got the whole numbers in this problem. Okay? Then we're just squaring them. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9, and so on. Okay? So you got this list of squares. This right here is called first differences. This 3 is the difference between 1 and 4. Difference between 4 and 9 is 5. Between 9 and 6 is the 7. 16 and 25, there's your 9. It's called the first differences. Okay? You should see a pattern in these first differences. Okay? They're going up by 2s. That is called the second differences. Difference between the first differences is 3. Difference between 3 and 5 is 2. Between the 5 and 7 is that 2. Between 7 and 9 is that 2. You notice the second differences are constant, right? Okay. Everybody see the pattern in this stuff. This is our sequence. Okay, that's the sequence. Here is a pattern. Those second differences are constant. Your homework tonight is to kind of put together a table like this. I want to know, does this pattern work if you, instead of squaring it, you cube those whole numbers? Or if you take those whole numbers to the 4th power? Is there a similar kind of pattern to that? Okay. So, your assignment. Make a table like this, whole numbers, not squares, but cubes. If you don't believe it's going to work, try the 4th powers. Even if you just want to do the 4th powers, I'm fine with that. Either do cubes or 4th powers, it's up to you. But then, find those first differences, find those second differences. If you need to go on, you're trying to figure out a pattern. Does this pattern, similar kind of pattern, work? All right? Questions?
Can you remind us to do that in the notes?
It's going to be on there. I'll put today's date on there.
Okay.
Okay? Any other questions about this? There will be notes tonight, yes. Yes.